Alright, we're back at the Ram 3500. Excuse the paint dings up there. We're going to go ahead and fix all that hopefully today. But we are going to do an install video on the undercover swing case. And it's going to go here on the passenger side. So let's get everything laid out. Alright, everything's laid out. It's pretty much all you get is a little bag of self-tapping screws, a bracket, and the case. It goes right over here, and you use the pre-existing mounting holes. May not get into focus there because the sun is killing it. Let's block it. There we go. Get these pre-existing mounting holes here, and you just screw it right in there with a drill. So you want to slightly pre-drill the hole, the dimpled hole here. Only go in about 1/8 of an inch and then back it out and put the bracket up. Alright, we got all 6 screws in, 4 over here. Put the 2 nuts on, the bar, and then 2 over here. I did notice that, like always, with this Ram 3500, I don't know if it's common on all of them, just this bed is weird. You know, even trying to find a mount for my high lift jack here, farm jack, the walls are just not even. And in the instructions it shows that it goes flat here, but as you can clearly see, there's a gap. So I still got the screw in there. It's still on there pretty tight. Let's get the box on there and see if it works. Okay, so we got the undercover swing case installed on the Dodge 3500. It includes a pivot lock, so you can't lift it up off the hinge, which I think is pretty cool. So I just took it off. It swings all the way out, right over to the top of the bed. Locks in easy. There was no adjustment. Comes right off. 6 screws, 2 nuts. Less than 15 minutes. Simple install. Super smooth operation. I really like it. And like I said, the only issue with the Dodge Ram 3500 I see is that little gap up there, which I'll spray in with some spray-in liner just to protect it from rust. But it's definitely going to be a great addition to the truck. As you can see, it comes with 1 tray. And it has a little compartment here that prevents stuff from sliding over. It's a deep compartment down here. And like I said, that little tray has some locking positions, so it can't slide. There's one in, like, I think there's 3. There's one there. There's another one there. Or maybe only 2. Yeah, I think it's only 2. Yep. So let me hang it back up real quick. Simple operation. Push it closed. Locks like butter. This goes in at an angle, and then you slide it up, bring it over. That locks in. Doesn't lock the case to the truck, but it prevents it so you can't take it out and steal it. It's not the best lock, but they do include a locking shackle here, so you can put like a master lock or something. And then up top, you've got a little keyhole. And that locks it. Now it's locked down. Let's put the bed up. Let's see how it closes. Alright. No issues with it closing. I don't see an issue with a tonneau cover going on. You got more than enough room in between the tailgate and everything. And it looks great. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.